To fix the issue of being unable to follow someone on Instagram, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A poor internet connection can prevent you from following accounts, so try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Next, check if the account you are trying to follow is private, as private accounts require the account owner's approval to follow them. If the account is private, you will need to wait for the account owner to approve your follow request before you can view their content. Another common issue is reaching the follow limit, which is 200 accounts per hour. If you have reached this limit, you will need to wait until the hour is over before you can follow more accounts. Additionally, if you are trying to follow an account that has blocked you, you will not be able to follow them until they unblock you. You can also try logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in to see if this resolves the issue. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can fix the problem. If you are still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app, as this can often resolve technical issues. It is also possible that the account you are trying to follow has been suspended or deleted, in which case you will not be able to follow them. You can try searching for the account to see if it still exists, or try following a different account to see if the issue is specific to one account or a general problem with your Instagram app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of being unable to follow someone on Instagram. Remember to always check your internet connection, the account's privacy settings, and your own follow limit to avoid any issues.